Do you have some posts on Instagram profile that you don't want others to see, but you don't want to delete them completely either? In this video, we will show you how you can hide and also unhide Instagram posts easily. First, let's check out how to hide Instagram posts. Open Instagram, go to your profile, select the post you want to hide, tap and hold on it, tap archive, and the photo will be hidden. You can hide multiple photos like this, or you can simply tap on the photo, tap on the three dot icon, tap archive, and the post will be hidden from your profile. Now, if you want to unhide the posts, tap on the three-line icon on the profile, tap archive. It will show you your stories. Tap on the story archive title, select posts archive. You will be able to see all the hidden posts. Tap and hold on the photo you want to unhide. Tap show on your profile and it will appear in the exact time it was posted. This is the way you can hide and unhide posts on Instagram easily. That's it for now. If you have any query regarding Instagram, let us know in the comment below. Thank you.